Hawaii, once an island that was separated into Ta and Raiatea, Terehe transformed into a puhi that took a bite of Hawaii, which caused this separation. The eel then became a gigantic paru that swam around these two islands. The hunters tried to stabilize the fish but weren't successful. The hero, Tawhai, grabbed a sacred axe and struck the fish into the chest. The fish swam away, and once he reached his destination, he became the island of Tahiti. His first dorsal fin became Orahine, and his second dorsal fins became Tahiti Iti and Morea. Thus, Tahiti Nui was born. Coming to the stage, Nigel cutting number 248.